When someone's not behaving normally, we ask them whether a mad dog has bitten them. Why do we say so? Is there any logic or reason behind it? Well, actually, yes. If a mad dog bites a person, then there are chances that the person also turns insane. And the scientific reason for this is the transmission of a virus. Wait a second. Did I just say virus? Yes. And do we mean that the virus is transmitted from the dog to the human? Absolutely. So that gets us to the concept of diseases in animals. Yes, we have always come across diseases in only humans. It's not only us, but even other animals that are targeted by several pathogens causing lethal infections. So have we come across such cases? Yes, of course. The example that we've just seen, mad dogs. They're also called as rabid dogs. These dogs do not have any psychological issues since birth. It is a virus called the rabies virus which attacks them. And this virus takes over the complete nervous system of the animal. What happens after this? This results in the aggressive and the wild behavior along with a few other symptoms in the dog. It's not only the dogs, but even other mammals like foxes and humans are affected by the rabies virus. Another example of such animal diseases would be the toxoplasma infection in cats and rodents. The protozoan named Toxoplasma gondii completes its life cycle by attacking both cats and rodents. Not only these higher animals, but even smaller animals like ants get infected sometimes. Yes, one such example includes the attack of a fungus named Ophiocordyceps. These fungi, referred to as the zombie fungi, attack tropical ants and complete their life cycle. Lastly, we have the bacterium Bacillus anthracis causing the fatal anthrax infection in several cattle. So we can say that huge as well as the tiny animals can be the targets of these pathogens. Yes? And what about plants? Do plants ever have infections? We haven't seen plants behaving insanely. But wait, we have definitely seen abrupt changes in plants, especially the changes in leaf structures. Have you observed that at times the plant's leaves get curled from edges? Sometimes we even find yellow spots on the leaves. These are nothing but the infections caused by several plant pathogens. Along with leaves, other parts like stems, roots or fruits also get affected. Let's have a look at a few examples. Some of the most common bacterial diseases include the bacterial canker attacking tomatoes and chilies. Secondly, we have the bacterial soft rot that infects capsicum, carrots and potatoes. Next example would include bacterial brown spots in beans. Similar to bacterial ones, we even have fungal diseases affecting the plants. Some commonly found examples include powdery mildews affecting pumpkins and cabbages. Next we have is rusts affecting wheat. And lastly, we find cavity spots affecting carrots. That was about bacterial and fungal diseases. What about viral diseases? Do plants get infected by viruses as well? Yes, they do. We usually find yellowing of leaf veins in okra, that is lady's fingers. This is nothing but an attack by the yellow vein mosaic virus. Also, we have the tobacco mosaic virus that infects tobacco leaves in a similar fashion. But does the plant really get affected with mere change in leaf color? Tax your brain a bit. We know that the green leaves are crucial for the plants to perform photosynthesis. Thus, if the leaves get damaged in any possible way, then it would be very difficult for the plant to survive. This is how we find animals and plants getting affected severely with pathogens. Now, after learning about the major harm caused to us and the other animals and plants, let's have a look at some more disasters caused by the microbes. Let's talk about the concept of food poisoning. And later, let us also learn a few important ways to protect our favorite food from getting spoiled. Do watch our next video.